I'm Svetlana Drobotenko, and I invite you to my session ZNO Survival Kit. I'll eagerly share with you tips, tricks and techniques of successful ZNO preparation. We will explore typical learners' mistakes and how to avoid them. A step-by-step approach to thrive in use of English part. The most common language items tested in gapped texts. The letter that scored 14 and learn how to succeed in writing. Why listening is so difficult and how to make it doable. How to find all required information in the reading part without wasting precious time. And how to allocate time and avoid stress. Only tried and tested tools. Join me and see yourself. Mission is possible. See ya!